this. Grilled cheese.
Something nice? Game! Periscope!
Yes, my boy. We are now passing over the Ozark Mountains, home of the friendly hillbilly.
Once again, Ella, my faithful robot elephant. We're on the trail of that tiger Cool Cat. He's eluded me for years, but this time, he shall not escape. Tally-ho! You found him! By the surface!
There it is. Anything that green has to be Ireland. Okay, Magic Carpet. Away we go. My boy, when we get back home, I can parlay those watches into a small fortune. Look! Empty! Why, that unscrupulous scoundrel! Listen. I hear it. It's getting louder.
Pardon me, me fine lads. Would you be having the time of day?
You're not my elephant, are you? Now, the first thing you've got to learn is how to find some food. There's no joy in Lamont tonight. This cat is striking out. It is no use, Cool Cat.
The Magic Mouse. That's me, Second Banana, the world's greatest magician. Come, my fan. Okay, my boy. Go count.
Boy, you're improving. The audience is double what it...
Whoa, I brought your gun back. A spook! Now's my chance to get out of here. What's wrong? Cool Cat!
Talk it to me, Papa. 929, take one. Take one. Talk it to me, Papa. 929, take one. 921, take one. Thanks, Cubs.
I'm working my way through college to get a lot of knowledge that I'll probably never again. Cool it, baby.
To honor a discotheque's greatest athlete, whose superior skill has placed discotheque #1 in all fields of college sports. It gives me great pleasure to award this trophy to the one who made it all possible, the Bee.
Well, I'll be betrayed. Be
Dear boy, I'll demonstrate why you have nothing to fear. Magic boxing gloves. Watch closely. A Tascadero Escondido. Cease! Stop, I say! Back in the hat! Track! So you see, all you have to do is slip on the gloves and a Tascadero Escondido.
It's not gonna be the same without him. Never thought I'd say that after the uncool way we met.
Now we got you both. Everything is ready, Speedy.
Good, let's start a party. Yippa, yippa, Andre, yeehaw! I'll reverse the vacuum and blow the cloud over their fiesta. Hey, let go! Fellas, and all the time I thought you didn't like me. I've never been so happy in my life. Sir?
This is a great moment, Duffy. My time machine is finished.
Everything is ready, Speedy.
Good, let's start a party. Yippa, yippa, Andre, yeehaw! I'll reverse the vacuum and blow the cloud over their fiesta. Hey, let go!
fine lads. Would you be having the time of day?
Drac!